What's going on, guys? This is Will's Bonsai, and today I'm gonna just be providing an update on all my bonsai trees. You know, we had an ice storm, winter weather come through here in metro Atlanta, Georgia. So yeah, I'm gonna just be showing you guys a quick update on my bonsai trees, all the different trees under the ice, see if we can get some unfrozen, see if we can do some work. It's almost February, so give it one more month and we will be getting into the actual bonsai content. So currently, I'm trying to get my stairs unfrozen. You guys can see there's a whole sheet of ice on the deck. And it's problematic because you're slipping and sliding. All the bonsai have a whole sheet of ice on them. So right now, I'm gonna try to show you guys how much ice is on the stairs. So go ahead, watch this. You guys can see we got a whole sheet of ice. See if we can get the last one up here. Oh, that one's coming off in pieces. Oh, ho, ho. So yeah, that looks pretty solid. Go ahead, follow me up to the deck. Be careful, try not to slip. Very slippery. That's crazy. Watch this. Oh. You guys can see this one's doing a lot better since yesterday. There's actually come around to the backside. You guys can see there's a lot more ice on that side of it. Still ice on the flowering azalea right here. Look at this. It's not budging. But I've said so many times now, this is like 100 trees or more, plus not even counting the ones inside. It's really hard to bring every single one of these into my garage. So if they survive, they survive. If they die, they die. And that sucks, but I think almost everything will survive. This is probably I'm on year 3. These all survived last year, and last year's winter was pretty brutal for an Atlanta, Georgia winter. Most of this stuff won't even come up. Oh, there we go. Look at that. It's crazy. I hope nothing gets root damage, but you know, I'm pretty good at making it all survive. All of this will survive. I have faith in it. Let me see it. A lot of this is still ice encapsulated too. You guys can see there's whole sheets still on. I have to put this fence up too because of my dog. He would try to eat the bonsai fertilizer in the summer. So that's why I have like a fence like literally inside of my deck. Down here, look at that. That is the Japanese maple still frozen up. Other Japanese maple. Look at that one right there. That is a bad Japanese maple frozen up. You guys can see the junipers. 2 of those are actually dead, so don't think the winter did that. But yeah, a lot of stuff is still frozen up, and there's not really too much I can do. Just wanted to give you guys an update. Trying to see one day at a time, closer to spring, how this will turn out. But I tend to keep most of my favorite bonsai on this end. Just look at that beast right there. There's my dog down there. But yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna have to give you guys an update soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I mean, it's winter. There's not too much I can do. Go trim up, prune, repot. But I just wanted to keep y'all posted on the status of my iced over bonsai trees. Will they live or will they die? I'm confident everything here is living. We'll see what is the first to drop dead. I'll catch you on the next one.